Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you life of web developer in Thailand. I'm particular right now in Bangkok, and I would like to show you how it is live in Bangkok. If you are interested, then watch this video till the end. Let's go.
Now it's almost 8 o'clock and I'm going to show you part of this beautiful city. Bangkok is really interesting place, some people like it and some people don't. But it's definitely the city with highest amount of skyscrapers. Depending on your location, you will see different scenes. You will see a lot of luxury stuff and a lot of poor things. But the good things of Bangkok, there are a lot of footpaths. If you ever been in Thailand, you know that this is a big problem here. Most of people using BTS or SkyTrain or MRT because it's faster. And another wonderful part of Bangkok is a lot of cuisine. It's a Michelin star, common guy, and it cost me just 65 baht. Along the way to BTS, you will see a lot of different cafes and coffee shops. The BTS stations has this sign. You also can buy coffee there. The BTS will cost you around 20 to 50 baht, depend on your destination. As you could see, it's really clean and people here are really polite. They are waiting queue before they enter to the train. I'm going to Microsoft Office today and my journey will take around 1 hour. If you are traveling from suburb areas, you will see how the scenes outside of your window will change. Use this opportunity to see the Bangkok, because it's so different from different sides. I like the city, but traveling from one point to another could be really exhausting. And I'm 100% sure that you will need to use different transports to reach your final destination. I almost arrived to my station and now I'm going to use motorbike taxi. The motorbike taxi is the fastest way to travel for the short distance if you are traveling during busy time. But be ready, if it's your first time, it probably will be a little bit excited because the driver usually drives really fast. And not always they provide you helmet, so I recommend you to ask it. The short motorbike trip will cost you around 50 Thai baht. Of course, it depends on the location and time of the day. Okay, I almost arrived to the Microsoft office. It's located in all-season places. It's a really beautiful skyscraper. There are a lot of offices here, and of course some place to eat. I'm going to buy some coffee in Starbucks and then go to the Microsoft office. The coffee in Starbucks will cost you around 150 plus, depends on type of the bean and size of your cup. Okay, let's go to the Microsoft office. It's located on 38th floor. So to go inside, you need to use the card and the lift. The office looks really nice. They have a lot of spaces and really beautiful decorations. Today I'm going to stay in Microsoft Office until 6 o'clock. Today we have a lot of different sessions about JavaScript and some Microsoft products. We are going to talk about AI, how you can use different runtime to run AI locally. We are going to talk about GitHub and Copilot, LLM P3.5 Mini from Microsoft, how to build custom extensions for Chrome and Edge, and a bunch of other different cool things. So maybe if I have more available time, I will record some videos regarding one of these topics. If you are interested on any of this, just let me know in the comments below. Okay, let's walk around office a little bit before I go home. The one cool thing that I've noticed here is that different rooms has the names that represent different provinces in Thailand. I think it's really good idea. And another thing that I like here is a really beautiful view. If you love the view of skyscrapers, you will enjoy it a lot. Okay, it's time to go home. Today is raining and it's mean the way to go home will be really challenging. During the rain, it's hard to get a taxi, so I'm going to use shuttle bus that will take me to BTS. I wouldn't recommend you to use the taxi because your trip could take 2-3 hours depending on the location. So go to the BTS and it will be much faster. And probably that's it for today. If you like this kind of video, please let me know. If you do, then I will record another video from Chiang Mai. Bye bye.